So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download your motherboard driver. So first you have to come to www.gigabyte.com. So then you can see this is search button and then type your motherboard model number B60M eagle V2 means version 2, second version, and then hit enter. Click to product. Click on motherboard title name. Click to support. Then select your operating system which is required. You can see here Windows 10, 11 both showing here. If you so if I am making video for Windows 11, so if you are using Windows 10, so no worry about it, because you can see this video and install the driver installation process. You just select your operating system. Okay, you can see 15, 13, like different driver. So first audio driver, so click to download. After you can see this is start downloading. So it is done. Just single click to open, double click to then click to yes. Now it is installing. So it will close automatically, means this is installed. Then close chipset. So download this one. Click to download. So after the click download, you can see here 96.49. So this one, just single click. This is chipset driver, and just again double click. Now this is extract. And then click to yes. And done, and close it. LAN driver. So Realtek LAN driver. Click to download. So it's done. LAN driver. Just single click to open, and double click to exe. This is extract driver. So you have to just require double click on this launch for administrator rights. Then click the yes. Now this is again you can see here, and after that it start installations. So it is automatically closed means this is installed. VGA driver. So Intel VGA driver, click to download. You can see here start downloading. Then guys, single click to open it, graphic VGA driver, and this is extracted. So double click to launch for administrator rights. Then click to yes. So now it is installing Gigabyte. Then it is done, and then close it.